Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will explain the Agilometer in Agile PM and also the Agilometer in Prince2 Agile and show how they are similar but not the same. Think of the Agilometer as a health check that shows how risky it is to use an Agile approach on a project. First, let's look at the Agile PM Agilometer. It evaluates 6 key areas. Each area is scored from 1 to 5. A higher score means a better environment for Agile. The 6 areas are flexibility on solution, level of empowerment, iterative development, continuity of involvement, appropriate team size, and visual transparency. Why use it? It helps you spot risks, customize the level of agility, and start the right conversations with the team and stakeholders. Now, let's look at the Prince2 Agile Agilometer. It looks similar, but the sliders are different and focus on delivery risks. It is used during the starting up a project process to assess the Agile environment. The 6 sliders are flexibility on delivered scope, collaboration, ease of communication, ability to work iteratively and deliver incrementally advantageous environmental conditions, and acceptance of Agile. The key difference is the focus. Agile PM focuses on business roles and general readiness for Agile. Prince2 Agile focuses on delivery risks and governance constraints. Both Agilometers do not say yes or no to Agile. They show you where to be careful and how to tailor your approach.